Hi, my name is Sofia.
And I'm Ruby.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make a kite greeting card from Nepal.
Our friend Pooja showed us how to make these because when she was little, she made these as a kid, and it's for the holiday Dashain.
Happy Dashain.
For this, you're going to need some cardstock paper. You're going to need a ruler, and then you're going to need a pencil. So for this, I'm just going to use one of our templates. And the dimension is 4.5 of 9
by 9.
by 9.
Yeah. Okay.
So on the cardstock paper, you don't need a template. We're just using ours. You're gonna get your ruler and go to the 9 with the inches. And then you're gonna go the other way. Well, first you should do the 4.5 inches. I'm just doing it this way, but you should probably use the 4.5 inches. And then you have your thing, and then you want to cut it out and fold it in so it's done. This is what it should look like. It doesn't matter if it has 2 different colors on each side.
First, we are going to make the tail. You will need some string, some triangles, kind of like this. And then you'll need your piece of paper and a glue stick.
Okay.
And you'll need some scissors. So first, you will go over to the string. You will get a long piece, but not too long. And you will cut it. So then, you open your card up and you decide where you want to put your word Happy Dashain. And then, so I chose here. I'm going to put it here. I'll get a glue stick. Okay, I found my glue stick. Here it is. You put your glue stick right on the edge. Just a little far in. But if it doesn't stick, you can always use tape. You stick it on, and then you put your glue to the side. And then you get your string, and you place it right here. Then you get your glue again, and you put it on the ribbon right on the glue. There. You shut it and you let it dry.
For the next step, you are going to need some of these craft sticks from Michael's, whatever. And you're gonna take 4, and then you're gonna cut off the tips of them, the pointy parts. And then you want to get your glue, and you want to kind of run it down diagonally on each side. But if you look at it from a triangle angle, it would look like this, a plus. If you did it from a, whatever you call it, angle.
And it also can be shaped like a square. I'm kidding, an X.
An X if you're doing it square way.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're gonna line them up on the glue. But a better idea, instead of just doing the glue without knowing where to put them, is you line up where you want them to go, and then you put the glue there. I'm just going to add a little extra glue because our glue runs out of glue, like stickiness really fast. And you have this.
Now?
Sometimes we always end up putting some tape, but if yours sticks pretty well, then you don't have to put tape. You're gonna let it dry for about maybe like 1 minute, and then after it's dried, you're going to write. You can color on it on both sides, but you're not gonna put the popsicle sticks on both sides. You can just color on each side.
And then inside, you will write Happy Dashain. You can write any design on the card, but as long as you also write Happy Dashain.
Happy Dashain.
And this is how you make a greeting card from Nepal.
Happy Dashain, everybody.